let's bring this course to a close by doing a quick recap of our top 10 investing tips for beginners. Tip number 1, set your personal investing goals. Start investing early. Set up an automated discipline. And like I said before, I think this is the one which is most critical. Treat your investment as expenses, and just the way you set aside money for that before spending on luxuries, also set up these automated systems that debit your account for pushing them out into various investment instruments before you start spending money on luxurious items. Tip number 4, manage your expenses wisely. Yes, it's quite possible that when you set up this automated discipline, 1 month your outflow could be a little bit more than you wanted it to be. Well, I would say that rather than reducing your investments, take a look at your expenses and see whether you can trim a few so that you are still able to meet your investment goals. Of course, in order to make the most informed choices, it's really important to understand the jargon and the kind of words which are being used in that industry. So spend some time and learn at least the basics of investment so that you are comfortable having a conversation and making the right informed choices. Always, always plan for emergencies. Nowhere is this true than in today's time, but also emergencies can come at any point of time. It could be some unexpected medical bill. It could be an unexpected trip that you need to take. It could be some kind of an equipment breaking down before you had really planned to replace it. Always plan for these emergencies and make sure that this amount of money is kept aside in a particularly easy to access liquid instrument so that whenever you need the money, you can access it at the drop of a hat. Always read the fine print so that again the kind of choices that you're making are suitable to the kind of priorities you have. You would not want that by an unfortunate misunderstanding, your emergency fund is parked away in an instrument that requires 3 days or a week for you to liquidate. Because when money is required quickly, you don't want to wait that much amount of time. So always read the fine print and make sure you're making the right choice. Diversify. There are thousands and thousands of investment options available to you. Make sure that you have money invested in a multitude of such investment options so that whichever option type is doing well at a particular time, you're able to sort of capitalize on that and also balance the lows that a different investment option could be in. Periodically keep reviewing your portfolio and make sure it's in line with your current set of priorities. And finally, be content with your own life choices, with your own priorities, with the own kind of things that make you happy. Don't compare yourself with others. So this brings us to the end of this course on 10 investing tips for beginners. I hope you found the course useful, and I would love to hear your own thoughts and comments in the discussion forums on the site. Thank you and have a great day.